Hello everybody, the SchemaRabbit team here showing you how to install SchemaRabbit within the Framer environment to easily and automatically add schema markup or structured data to your website. So let's kick it off here by navigating to the drop down here in the top left corner. If you navigate down to plugins and then select all and you type in SchemaRabbit, you'll see it there. You can click on it. This will open up this view. If this is your first time, you likely do not have an API key, so just click on Get Free API Key. This is going to open this page. Copy it, then go back to Framer and paste it. Click connect, and then in this case we're doing it from the existing SchemaRabbit account, but you should see this as empty from your recent scans. So you can just go down to your site, which is this one we see right here, click on start scan. So now the scan is in progress. If you want to see the progress, you can click here and it's going to redirect you to the SchemaRabbit scan page. You can see here that SchemaRabbit is now reviewing all of your pages. Now, once they're all complete, you'll see this done. You can go click on View Results. And this will take you to the main report that SchemaRabbit generated for your specific website. Your website will show up here. This is a test website, so that's why we see this generic Framer convention. Here you'll see four main hero cards. The first one is how optimized your website is, broken out by pages and optimized type. So here we have 6 pages that are not optimized. We have 3 pages here that don't need schema, so that's also really cool to see. The schema opportunity, the LLM visibility. So what we're doing here is we're essentially understanding your website, what it's about, its content, and running similar queries or queries that users, your audience, your customers might be searching within different LLMs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and showing you the opportunity there. And then we'll also generate the LLMS.txt document or page, which you can also install. Scroll below and you'll see each of the pages on your website broken out by the schema opportunity. In this case, the first one is showing a profile page schema. You can click into it. You can see the JSON already built out for your specific case, ready to copy, ready to add to your websites. Some, for example, the software application, you'll see this orange nudge right here that shows you that any values here that have a required value, you'll have to add yourself, and we'll do that in a second. But the JSON is here ready to go. Scroll down. The second section is keywords that we have identified for LLM tracking. And this gives you a little bit of the insight tied to what I mentioned earlier, to your LLM visibility, some of the insights we've generated for you that can help you better position your website, your content to drive more user traffic from LLMs. Scroll down and you'll see the next steps to install. The first one is going to be review the schema in detail, then install, go back to Framer and install and publish. So there's 2 ways you can do this. One is do it yourself, which is what we're going to do right now. And in cases in which you get, stuck or don't really know how to proceed, you can actually request a demo with our engineering team, and they will walk you through the process and help you unlock anything you need. So in this case, we're going to do it ourselves. Continue to install. If you don't have an account yet, after you click on continue to install, you will be prompted to sign up and choose one of the tiers. But we're already signed up here, so we're just going to go directly into the code review. As mentioned earlier, that's step 1. So go to the review schema section. Here you'll see for the case of the software application, you still need to add some values. So here you have to add them here. Let's say rating value 4.9. Click enter, and then here you have the field of the option to apply to this field only or apply to all. In this case, we're going to apply to all. And then the rating count would be the amount of users that have rated your product. Let's say 483. This is totally random right now. And that's that. So then you just want to make sure you do this for all of the different schemas that you have. Once they're done, you can go back to Framer. And then you should see it right here. Here we go. This is the one. And as you can see, now you can install the schema. So let's go ahead and click here, install schema. Schema installed. Be sure to publish your website again. What this is going to do is make sure that your latest schema markup is available publicly on your website. Let's go do that. Great. That's it.